Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker SVEN PS-950 with your MacBook. You have to start by click on the Bluetooth icon. Now go to settings, and after that you should press power button on your speaker right here. So just long press and it will turn on. After that, we should see it on the device list here. So just click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!